I'm granting your motion as to those that are not here to object. Those that are objected, I'm denying your motion without prejudice. Again, I do think you're entitled to a good deal of what you're requesting, but the motion needs to be particularized. And again, getting back to Mr. White, I took a quick look at the statute. Where are you? I mean, I see law enforcement officers listed, but he is a witness in a criminal matter, and I don't see anything that excuses him from this process or that somehow exempts him from it. If you want to file anything else with me on that one issue, I'll be happy to reconsider. But it looks like, as far as I'm concerned, he's in the same boat as the others. Okay? All right.
May I request, Judge, as to your ruling, that it not be denied but stayed until the amendment could be done, and at that point you could rule on the pleadings, should we not be able to come to an agreement on the special master?
It's 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. I can wait to rule. You know, I can give you a week to get this done, and then if there's no agreement, I would deny it without prejudice, and you can refile. I don't mind doing that. So this is Thursday, the 28th. So whatever next Thursday is. Do we have a calendar savant in the room? Anybody? All right.
Now,
so that's fine. If I don't hear from anybody, I'm just going to enter an order being duly advised in the premises, denied without prejudice, all right?
Okay, just so I'm clear on Your Honor's ruling, Your Honor would like for me to, I guess, reaffirm the factual basis that I've laid out for the hearing.
Yeah.
As to the materiality.
In a couple of sentences, why it's material.
Okay, and that's it?
Yeah, and I'm telling you, though, the finality of this will be, I don't think there's any point at which I would grant a request for all of the phone records and phone numbers that you're seeking, the wholesale production by them of the phone record. It needs to be redacted, specified. Okay?
But who would do that? That's the problem.
Well, I thought you were just saying you were going to try and get a master to do it.
Oh, aside from that, if we're unable to agree on someone...
I can always do an in-camera inspection.
Very well.
And I'll be happy to do that. I should have said that to begin with. I was trying to avoid it. All right.
So will we have to pay you, Judge, if that...
No, I'm...
All right.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
That's fine. Ms. Bodden's motion now, and again, the county's still here. I recognize you're involved, and I'm going to give you a chance to respond, and if you want to be heard and argue any position you have, I'll be happy to listen to you. Her motion and the amended motion, which I haven't read, just go to release of the videotape. So I'll let you argue, and then once again, I've got to give...
No problem. Mr. McAllister, by the way, is going to argue the facts, not going to argue the ball. We're just going to split it. If that's right.
I don't mind that. And I'm not sure how to do this, but I guess, and I don't have a judicial assistant, but I guess we need to notify maybe the Sentinel and anybody else that if they want to intervene and be heard, and then we could reset it and hear whatever they want to say. Or, frankly, you can appear, either one of you can, I know you're not local, you can appear
By telephonic? Okay.
telephonically if you like.
May the rest of us be excused?
Yes, sir. Not a problem.
But Mr. McAllister will start the argument if that's all right, Your Honor. Thank you.
Not a problem.
Thank you very much. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Your Honor, since we were here in March on this very motion, we've had the opportunity to take 2 depositions, and I know you haven't had time to digest all the papers, and in fact there were 2 deposition transcripts that have been lodged, one of Lieutenant Unser and one of Sergeant Richardson.
They've been filed with the court?
They've been lodged.
Okay.
Filed.
All right, thank you.
That's correct.
They're lodged in California?
We lodge them in California,
All right,
yes,
that's
Your Honor.
fine.
We do
All
things
right.
a little differently in
All
California.
right, thank you.
And, Your Honor, essentially this relates to a video, and when we're talking about a video, this is actually not the complete surveillance video. This is a video of a video. It's not complete. It's not the entire duration. It does not show the events that occurred from beginning to end. It does not show interaction of the Orange County Correctional people as well as people in the medical office with Ms. Anthony. So when we talk about the video, we're specifically discussing parts of what actually occurred. Now, simply stated, our position is that she was taken there under the belief and told that she would receive medical treatment in the medical office. What we've learned since these 2 depositions were taken